it's kind of not so great. So I'm going to replace it. Now, this was a cheap doorknob. And if you buy a cheap doorknob, you shouldn't really have great expectations of it. And I really didn't have very great expectations of it. It has lasted me a goodly many years, but it's not lasting me anymore. Now, the way to get these knobs off of here, there's a couple of screws that you have to take out this back end behind this plate, but you can't get to them unless you pop the handle off. And to pop the handle off, there's a little bitty pin right here, and you have to stick something in that pin and then pull the handle out. Now, Charlie, I know you want to go outside. Probably nobody can see you down there on that black rug, but you're there. But no, you can't go outside. So step away from the door, little man. Move it, move it. Thank you. Let's see. No, Charlie. No, Charlie. Now, this is what your doorknobby looks like after you get it out. There's another part that's in here, and that's this part right here, which basically works that part. I'm going to replace that. The new one I got will have a new one of those, and it'll be a lot better than that one. I'll go get it. So this here is the new doorknob, and you can tell it's a lot beefier than the old doorknob. And I'm going to go install it right away here. Oh, the joy. Looks like it has a couple of options, and one would be to use it without a knob. I'm not going to be doing that. So the part I'll be installing will be this part right here. I don't think I'm going to need that either, because I think that goes with that. In fact, they've given me two knobs here. They've given me the doorknob, the main doorknob, and a secondary bolt, which I don't think I realized what this was, but it is. So, okay. Okay, I'm going to go out here and lock myself out. Well, I can do it from here. See, when this is turned that way, she won't move. When it's turned this way, she will. And the lock works the same way. You turn it that way, it's locked, it won't move. Turn it that way, it will. I'm going to double check both the keys. I'll also get some extra keys made. I think what I wound up buying here was a set that had both a lock and a deadbolt. And, you know, this is made with a spot here. If I wanted to put a deadbolt in, I could. So, there's that. Let's make sure this is locked right now. So, there's that. We've got a new door handle that won't break, I hope. And we're good to go. Okay.